na ang batting order ng Philippine team. So una na naman sa napapalo ay si Ian Mercado, followed by Gerald Pareja. Number 3 hitter is Agon De Vera. Number 4 is Mark Manaig playing catcher. Number 5 si John Vargas playing left field. And then jersey number 56, Ferdy Liguayen playing designated hitter. Playing second base, 7th on the lineup is John Matanggihan. Playing number 8 in the roster is our right fielder, jersey number 33, Nigel Paule. Siyempre ho, ang pangsyam ay si Erwin Bosito playing center field. And starting for the second game para ho sa Philippines baseball team ay si Amiel de Guzman. Early this morning, nagpakitang gilas talaga yung ating tatlong pitcher. No? We started with Romeo Hasmin, followed by our substitute pitcher, which is Gorpio. And syempre ho, ang naging closer natin kanina ay si Kennedy Torres. So I think there was a total of 9 strikeouts in the first game this morning. So tingnan ho natin. Unang palo, ang Philippines, Ian Mercado on the mound. That's a grounder and it's a single hit to the center field for a perfect leadoff. So yan no, malaking bagay ho yan na yung ating mga leadoff hitter ay nakakatungtong kaagad ng base because our coaches are able to execute some offensive plays because successfully ay may runner kaagad tayo sa first base. So second base ay si Gerald Pareja. He batted very well this morning. Okay, that's a pick-off move to first base. Nakabalik safely si Ian Mercado. So safe. Okay, that's a line drive hit but caught by the shortstop. Good defensive effort by the shortstop of Singapore para ho sa first out. Vlad, kung kaya dito, yung batting stats lang sulat ng Philippines natin kanina umaga. Yung kung batting 244, 144, some in first name. Hindi mo na kay Fidel. Okay, so now we have Agon De Vera for the Philippines. So that's a nice blooper hit to the center field. Another successful at-bat by Agon Rivera, advancing Ian Mercado to second base. So may tao ho tayo sa first at second, one out to. At papalo ho ang ating power hitter na catcher, si Mark Manaig. You know, we are already live on the PABA Facebook page. So you can all send in your comments if you would want to be greeted on air. But once again, we take this opportunity to thank the officials of the College of Human Kinetics, led by its dean, Dr. Molly Malyari, for allowing us to use their beautiful baseball field. And of course, ang lahat ng ito ay ipinararating sa inyo dahil po sa mga inisyatiba ng ating PABA officials, led by its President, President Boy Tingzon, by its Secretary General, Mr. Mike Asuncion, by its Vice President, Mr. Manny De Castro, and yours truly, the Deputy Secretary General, Coach Kiko Diaz, doing a dual role, annotating and commentating for the game and doing hosting duties for Team Philippines. So, ikalawang laro na ho ito ng 3-game friendlies natin with the Singapore national team. And we won in the first game earlier versus Singapore with a score of 12-0. So that's a double steal attempt by the Philippine team. Parehong safe. Naka-advance, papuntang third, ang galing sa second. at naka-advance din papuntang second ang runner na galing sa first base. So very good aggressive base running being shown by our Philippine team. Okay, count now is 2 balls and 1 strike. So Hans Perea is a new pitcher for Team Singapore. Okay, 1 out na ho. Mayroon tayong runner sa second at sa third. Sorry, 2 outs na ho. At pumapalo sa atin ngayon ay player number 13, John Vargas. Okay, it's a grounder to middle part of the infield and it was a hit. Maganda yun, no? Several players attempted, the pitcher, the shortstop, and the second base, but somehow it found the gap. And that hit was enough to score the 2 base runners ng Philippines. So with that hit, 2-0 na ho ang score natin. Nakascore ang runners sa second at third with 1 in between single sa second and shortstop. So very successful ho yung palo ni John Vargas, and earlier he actually had a very successful hitting, 3 at bats and twice hit. So next for the Philippines, of course, is jersey number 56, and this is Ferdy Leguayan. Ferdy actually was 1 for 2 earlier, and that was a steal attempt and a successful one from Team Philippines. So again, very aggressive base running from John Vargas. You know, mayroong attempted tag play, ngunit unsuccessful ho ito. So 2-0 lamang ho ang Team Philippines over Singapore at the top of the first inning. Okay, that looked like it was a little high for the umpire. So he called it ball. 2 outs, runner on second, another scoring threat for Team Philippines. And high and outside for a ball 2 count. Kung natunghayan nyo ho yung kaninang laro natin ng first game, meron hong isang palo itong batter natin ngayon, balagbag sa bakod. Okay, another grounder hit to second base, and that's an RBI for Ferdy Leguayan, scoring John from all the way from second base. So ganun lang ho, very effective hitting by our batters, paving the way for run number 3 at the top of the first inning. So another hit by our batter to the left field area. So dire-diretso ho ang hits natin. Singapore pitcher is in trouble right at the top of the first inning. Nakascore na ho tayo ng 3 runs. Okay, that's a pick-off play to second base. Okay, nakabalik ko safely si Ferdy Leguayan. So, safe po siya. And then we have John Matanggihan now on first base. So, pumapalo ho si Nigel Paule. Okay, Nigel pops up a fly ball to the center fielder. So, caught easily for Singapore's third out. So, naka 3 outs na ho ang Singapore. Ngunit 3 naman ho ang na-score ng Philippines dito sa top of the first inning. Okay, so bottom of the first inning, Philippine now, Philippines now is playing defense, and our lineup is again Ian Mercado playing first base, Gerald Pareja playing third base, Agon De Vera playing shortstop. Doing the catching chores for Team Philippines is Mark Manaig. On left field is John Vargas. Playing DH is Ferdy Liguayan. Playing second base is John Matangihan. Playing right field is Nigel Paule. And completing the lineup, of course, playing center field, Erwin Bosito with Amiel de Guzman doing the pitching chores for Team Philippines. So once again, tayo ho ay matutunghayan na sa FB Live ng PABA Facebook page. We are now on the second game of our friendlies between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. So this is actually a T-game exhibition series uh, in coordination with the Baseball Federation of Asia and of course to the efforts of the Singapore Baseball Confederation and the Philippine Amateur Baseball Association. So first batter for Team Singapore, playing center field, jersey 14 is Ling Shangji. Okay, pitching again for Team Philippines is Amiel de Guzman. So si Amiel ho ay nagmula sa Calaca City, Batangas. And he went to the National University for his collegiate campaign. And he is one of our 4 or 5 rookies in the Philippine team. Okay, it's a hot grounder to second base. Cleanly fielded and put out to first. So 1 out para ho sa Philippine team. Routine grounder from second to first. Okay, 1 out na po. Batting now for Singapore is jersey number 71, Jordan Sea. Okay, that's a very effective pitching by De Guzman. Again, another routine ground ball play. Straight to second baseman John Matangihan and put out to third base. Put out on a play to first baseman Ian Mercado. So it's a routine ground ball play. Good execution by Team Philippines. So 2 outs na ho dito sa bottom of this first inning. Okay, nice low outside corner pitch, just nipping the strike zone. Strike 1 ho para kay Amiel. Okay, ball 1 and strike 1 for batter number 3 of Singapore, Odrick Kia. Okay, another pitch, low and outside, called by the umpire. Ball 2, strike 1 now. So 2 outs na ho. Odrick Chia, the second baseman of Singapore, now batting. Okay, it's a hit to the shortstop. Agon De Vera bobbled his fielding, and that's a charge fielding error for our shortstop. So nakarating safely sa first base yung number 3 batter ng Singapore. Now hitting for Singapore is jersey number 87, Sean Tan. Okay, another low and outside hit. Okay, we'd like to greet on air our Vice President, Manny De Castro. VP Manny, magandang hapon ho sa inyo. And cheering all the way from Angeles, Pampanga, Ted Pascual. Hey, go Philippines, sabi ni Ted. Magandang hapon ho. And of course, we have April Reunido Ledesma cheering again for Team Philippines. Thank you for watching over the PABA FB page as we see and witness the second friendlies game between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. So tayo ho ay nasa bottom of the first inning pa lamang and Philippines successfully scoring 3 runs during their at-bats. So 3-0 ho. Pumapalo ang Singapore at the bottom of the first inning. Okay, bunt effort and a steal. Caught cleanly by the second baseman. Successful tag and put out at second base on the stealing base runner. So Singapore trying the throwing arm of our catcher. Biguho ang Singapore. And it was a perfect throw to second to complete the tag play for Singapore's third out. Okay, Dave Reyes and Alteo Mandar cheering on for Team Philippines. Salamat ho at magandang hapon sa inyo. Shout out of course to JR Huntado. Thank you all for supporting our Team Philippines in their friendlies match between Singapore national men's team. So once again, this is the second game for a 3-game friendlies exhibition match between Singapore and the Philippines. Earlier this morning, we had our first game and Team Philippines won convincingly with a score of 12-0. At mukha hong mananatili in the same pace yung ating campaign ng Team Philippines ngayong second game. Kasi ho, natapos ang buong first inning at mayroon na ho kaagad na na-score na 3 runs ang Team Philippines. Okay, another viewer all the way from Calaca City and Batangas. Magandang hapon, Sir Eco Gutierrez. This morning, once again, we were supported by officials of the Philippine Sports Commission. So we thank the support of the PSC Chair, John Patrick Pato Gregorio, and its Executive Director, Attorney Guillermo Iroy. Gentlemen, magandang hapon ho at salamat sa inyong support para sa ating Philippine Amateur Baseball Association and Team Philippines. Mabuhay po lahat kayo dyan sa PSC. Okay, another ball by the pitcher. So 3 balls na ho para sa first batter ng Philippines, ang count ng Singapore pitcher. So fourth pitch was low. So jersey number 16 of Team Philippines, Erwin Bosito, the leadoff hitter, reaches first base safely. So balik ko sa top of the batting order, palo na naman ho si Ian Mercado from UP and from the very proud Tanawan City, Batangas Little League program. So a very good steal attempt and that's a botch attempt, pick-off play. So Bosito extending his steal all the way to third base. So nag-cover ang center field ng Singapore, binato sa tercera or sa third base, ngunit mabilis ho ang ating base runner. Kaya ho, safe nakarating ng third base. Another fan from Los Baños, Laguna and cheering for Erwin Bosito. Grace Kinikito cheering for our national player from Los Baños, Erwin Bosito. Maganda ho ang nilalaro ni Erwin, ang iyong kababayan, Ma'am Grace. So that's a wonderful line drive hit, just catching the line by Ian Mercado. Looks like it's going to be an extended base hit. So easily reaching third base. Dun sa palo ni Ian Mercado, scoring Erwin Bosito from third base. So once again, I am joined in the live panel by our Secretary General, Mr. Mike Asuncion. Mr. Asuncion sends all his greetings to all our televiewers on FB page. Binibigyan ko ng mikropono, ayaw kong magsalita. Sadyang mahiyain, talagang doer lamang. Binigay yung chores sa kanyang deputy at madaldal raw ho yung kanyang deputy secgen. So another run quickly scored by the Philippines on the hit by Ian Mercado. So 4-0 na ho ang ating score. Ball 2, strike 1 count on our batter now, Gerald Pareja. Gerald once again went 1 for 2 in this morning's game. So that's batting 500. Okay, another wild pitch by the Singapore pitcher, allowing Ian Mercado to easily score from third. So that's now the second run for Team Philippines at the top of the second inning. So ball 3, strike 1 count. Wala na ho tayong runners sa bases dahil nakascore na ho yung nasa third. And batter tried to reach out for an outside pitch. So full count to ang count ni Gerald Parejo ngayon. Ball 3, strike 2. Let's see what's the next pitch from Singapore pitcher will be. So it's another ball. So base on ball, and Gerald Pareja takes first base on a free ride. So very aggressive, and the hitting prowess of Team Philippines is really showing in our friendlies against Singapore. Lahat ho ng pitchers ng Singapore, we are peppering their pitches with hits. And it's really hits scattered all over the outfield area. And in between infielders. So beautiful hitting by Team Philippines. J.R. Juntado is watching all the way from Antipolo. So cheering, I suppose, for Tuting Manuel, who is a native also of Antipolo, Rizal. Okay, ang count to kay Agon de Vera is ball 1, strike 1. So that's a steal attempt. Beautiful steal by player Pareja. Hindi na ho naka-attempt sa pick-off yung pitcher or yung catcher. Because by the time the catcher caught the ball, Gerald was already almost 3/4 of the way to second base. Beautiful base running by Gerald Pareja. And that's a strong ground ball hit to shortstop. Okay, converted by the shortstop from Singapore, put out to first base on a tag play. So Pareja still remains on second place. Batter runner Agon de Vera was put out on a tag play from short to first. Okay, Padoday Mendoza cheering for Romeo Hasmin. Of course, Hasmin started the pitching chores for Team Philippines in our game 1 this morning, perfectly doing a 4 inning pitching job. Okay, a long fly ball to the center fielder. Okay, caught by the center fielder, but that hit was long enough to advance the runner from second to third. So hindi naman ho nasayang yung palo ni Manaig dahil na-advance niya yung ating runner from second to third. So ang papalo na ho ngayon para sa Team Philippines ay si John Vargas with a potential run on third base. Okay, that's a strong grounder hit, fielded, and a nice throw to first base. One bounce throw but caught successfully by the first baseman of Team Singapore to get the third out. So again, ipapagkitang gilas rin ang Singapore team ng kanilang depensa, no? Otherwise, that would have been cleanly another run for Team Philippines. So good fielding and good catching by the first baseman of Team Singapore. So sa top ho ng second inning ay naka 2 runs na naman ang Team Philippines. So papalo ho sa bottom of the second inning ang Singapore at ang score ho ay 5-0 na. So ang pumupukol pa rin ho sa ating second game ngayon ay ang lefty rookie from NU, Amiel de Guzman. So Pat Ora on FB Live. A bit low. Called ball by the umpire. Okay, another low pitch for ball 2 count. Yan ho, Ram J. Soriano Lilo greeting Team Philippines. Oh, maganda ho ang ipinalo at nag-error, fielding error ang ating shortstop, si Agon De Vera. That's a good line drive ground ball hit by Shan Tan of Singapore. So Singapore with its leadoff batter making a successful hit. So we now have runner on first with Kohei Wong, the third baseman hitting for Singapore. So Amiel taking his time on the mound, checking the lead of the first runner on first base, unlocking. At medyo malaki ang lead ng runner. Okay, that's a sacrifice play. Bunt going straight to the pitcher. Good put out. Routine play from pitcher to first base for the first out of Singapore. Although that was still a good play because the runner on first was able to advance to second base. So perfectly executed sacrifice bunt play by Team Singapore. So potential run ho by Singapore. Tignan natin kung makakahit ang batter number 15 ng Singapore, si Jason Chong, playing the first base for Singapore. So 1 out lang ho and a potential run on the runner at second from Singapore. Oh, that's a nice dead center pitch by fastball by our pitcher Amiel de Guzman. Okay, that was a swing and a miss. Strikeout number 1 for Amiel de Jesus. So 2 outs na ho with runner and second. Jersey number 11 for Singapore, Nain bin Zaire now batting. Just a bit high and outside, called ball by the umpire. And that's a perfectly positioned pitch, dead center. Hindi ho pinalo. Okay, tingnan ho natin ang pukol ni Amiel ngayon at ang palo ng Singapore. Okay, that was a little high, called ball by the umpire. So count now is ball 2 and strikes 2 for batter number 11 for Singapore, Naim bin Zahir. Okay, swing and a miss for strikeout number 2 and to end the inning for Amiel de Guzman and Team Philippines. So, dalawang strikeout to ang naitala ni This is an activity that is sanctioned by the Baseball Federation of Asia, the friendlies between Singapore and Philippines. So first at bat is a sharp ground ball hit to first base, fielded cleanly, out ho. Si batter number one for Philippines, Ferdy Tiguayan. Okay, good defensive put out by Team Singapore. Okay, first pitch is high and outside. Okay, Fe Lacupa, jersey number 5. Hello naman daw. Shout out to Gio Corbido from Northern Samar. He actually played this morning and had several hits. Okay, pitch is another low and inside. Ball 2 and strike 1 na po. Okay, ball going straight to the second baseman and a fielding error. And that's enough for John Matangian, our second baseman, to reach first base safely. So huli ho yung reaction ng second base ng Singapore. Had he approached the ball earlier, he could have fielded it more cleanly, pero naalanganin yung fielding niya doon. So at any rate, we now have a runner on first and jersey number 33, Nigel Paule, now hitting for Team Philippines. Another pick-off play to first base. Safe po. Medyo malaki ang lead ng runner natin sa first base. Another pick-off play. Clearly safe at first. Oh, that's a nice single line drive to left field by jersey number 33, Nigel Paule. So advancing the runner on first to second with that beautiful hit. And setting up Erwin Bosito for another potential run sa ating Philippine men's national team. So jersey 16, Erwin Bosito, during this morning's game, actually had a 1 of 2 effort. Good line drive hit, called foul by the umpire. Okay, pitch is a little high and inside. So clearly a ball. Okay, this time way outside for ball 3, strike 1 count para kay Erwin Bosito. Okay, foul ball. So ball 3, strike 2 count now for Erwin Bosito. Okay, that's a pass ball. And it's actually ball 4 for the base, for the batter runner. So walk din siya. So talagang advanso yung runner from first and second to second and third. So bases loaded situation and Ian Mercado, who went already 2 for 2 in this game. So another nice line drive hit to the center field area. Another hit in between left and center field. So attempted throw to third base. Another wild throw. So tatlo na naman ho ang naipasok ng Team Philippines. And batter runner Ian Mercado is now safe at third base. So great hitting for Ian Mercado, going 3 for 3 in this game 2 sa friendlies natin with Team Singapore. So tatlo ho ang na-score doon sa kanyang napakagandang hit sa center field area. Center fielder made an attempt to pick off the runner and second going to third and made a poor throw, and that allowed 3 runs to score for the Philippines. Kaya ang score na ho natin ngayon ay 8-0 na, top of the third inning. Okay, pitch clearly a ball. Philippine hitter Gerald Pareja making a nice evading job there. Okay, high and inside, called ball by the umpire. Ball 3, no strikes for Gerald Pareja. Ian Mercado is another scoring threat from third base for Team Philippines. Okay, another pitch, low and inside. So an issued base on ball by the Singapore pitcher. So base on ball low, or kung tawagin rin natin minsan ay walk. Walk to first base. But the technical term for that is base on ball. So batting now for Team Philippines is Agon De Vera, our shortstop from Tanawan City, Batangas. So another passed ball, and that scored the runner on third, easily Ian Mercado, and advancing Gerald Pareja from first to third base. So talaga hong nahihirapan ang mga pitchers ng Singapore, no, sa kanilang laro. Okay, so that's a nice defensive play by Singapore's second baseman to force the first out. Ang ganda ho ng palo actually ni Agon. So 2 outs ho, second out na yon, ano? Pero nakascore ng ika-4 na run na ang Philippines, si Ian Mercado, yung nakatatlong RBI sa at-bat niya kanina. So batting now for Team Philippines is our catcher, Mark Panaig. Sabi ni Sean Magno, solid game, Team Philippines versus Singapore. Thank you for acknowledging the efforts of our Team Philippines. Okay, another steal, successful one from second to third. So Gerald Pareja on the 2 occasions that he was on base really kept on an aggressive base running. And galito yung batter natin, ayaw niya ng walk. Ngunit that was the 4th ball issued by the Singapore pitcher. So base on ball, and runners on first and third now, 2 outs. And batting for Philippines is jersey number 13, John Vargas. So swing and a miss. Strike one for John Vargas. So that's a steal on first base. And that is a high fly ball to the left fielder. Left fielder made a successful attempt for Singapore's third out. So good hustle by Singapore's left fielder, catching that fly ball all the way on Si Francis Tomas Gonzaga. Yan. Okay, first pitch by the reliever for the Philippines. Francis Gonzaga called ball one. So another low pitch by our reliever pitcher, Francis Gonzaga from San Isidro, Valencia City, Bukidnon, Mindanaoan. O yan ho, ang ating mga produkto ng ating recruitment program. Okay, that was a nice line drive hit by jersey number 23 of Singapore, successfully reaching first base on nice ground ball hit. Si Francis Gonzaga ho, yung ating reliever ngayon ay mula sa RTU. And he had won several championships under his school during the regional SQAA and the national SQAA as well. So it's a pop-up foul ball caught by our catcher. So out number one. Good play by the catcher of Team Philippines. Okay, that's a strike count. So one out with runner on first for Team Singapore. So that's a nice steal by the runner from Singapore. So successful steal from first to second. Medyo lihiso yung bato ng ating second catcher from Team Philippines. Jersey number 33, si Nigel Pauleho, ang ating catcher ngayon na kanina ay right fielder ang kanyang taya. Okay, that's a nice comebacker to the pitcher. Caught cleanly and pick off to second base. Double play by our pitcher, Francis Gonzaga. So, diretsong line drive hit kay pitcher. Nasa low. Sa ibabaw ng fourth inning, Team Philippines successfully scoring 3 runs during the first inning, 2 runs during the second inning, and 4 runs during the third inning. So total runs for RP is 9 runs going to the top of the fourth inning. So, ang first batter ho para sa Team Philippines, jersey number 56, Ferdy Liguayan. Again, a known hitter. So Liguayan taking a strike pitch from pitcher jersey number 99 of Singapore. Okay, this time it's high and outside. Okay, first to bat for Team Philippines, base on ball, jersey number 56. Ferdy Liguayan reaches first safety. And now batting for Team Philippines is John Matangihan. So that's a good ground ball hit to second base, advancing base runner from first to second. So nice hot grounder to second base by John Matangihan. So sabi ho ni Roy Hasmin, ba mukhang regulation na yan. Malakas ang laro ng Philippines. Watching all the way from Pambuhan, Northern Samar. Oh, hello raw, sabi ni Ate Delia sa inyo. Another Tubong Samar. Okay, that's another passed ball. So advancing the base runners from first to second to now second and third. So easily another scoring opportunity for Team Philippines in this at bat. Batting is Nigel Paule, who in this morning game went 1 for 3 against Team Singapore. Okay, so that's a nice long hit to the outfielder. That's a good sacrifice fly. Nagtaga po yung runner sa third base. So runner on third reaches home for the first run of the fourth inning. So that's a good sacrifice fly by Nigel Paule, scoring his teammate, jersey number 56, all the way from third base to home. Si Ferdy Liguayan yun. So runners pa rin ho tayo sa second base. Okay, another low. So fast ball, runner on second, reaching third safely. So once again, we take this opportunity to thank all those who really support the initiative of PABA to bring these friendlies into a success. First off, we have, of course, the endorsement of the Baseball Federation of Asia, or BFA. We have the support of the Philippine Sports Commission, led by its chair, Jean Patrick Pato Rigorio, and its executive director, Guillermo Ibay. I'm sure all the other commissioners are also watching us on Facebook Live. And our host for our friendlies, we have the College of Human Kinetics here at the University of the Philippines, lending us their very beautiful baseball pitch. Thank you, Dean Molly Malyari, for this wonderful opportunity to host the friendlies between Singapore and the Philippines. So yun na naman po, walk na naman. So batter number 16 for the Philippines, Erwin Bosito, reaches first base safely. Okay, high and outside. Mapapansin mo natin, mas maganda yung speed ng pitcher ngayon ng Singapore, but is finding a little trouble in his spot. Okay, another ball and a successful steal attempt. Okay, thrown by the second baseman. Tag play, safe ang ating runner sa second base. Okay, another ball issued by the pitcher. Yung pumapalo natin ngayon ay 2 for 2 ngayong hapon na ito, si Ian Mercado. Ang ganda nung kanyang dalawang tama kanina, mga extra base hits pa actually. So another walk issued by the Singapore pitcher. So Ian Mercado goes to first base on a base on ball. Once again, we would like to thank all the way even to the support of the International Federation of Baseball and Softball, that is WBSC, or World Baseball Softball Confederation, for sanctioning these friendlies between Team Philippines and Team Singapore. So earlier this morning, no, nagsalita si PABA President Boy Tizon, and he actually highlighted the importance of these friendlies between Southeast Asian countries who plays baseball, no, because these are actually good pathways for us to improve on our skills and competencies and hopefully make our brand of baseball a lot more competitive. Alam naman ho natin that the powerhouse in the world also comes from Asia, and these are Japan, Taiwan, and Korea, who all have professional leagues in their countries. Kaya ho talagang grabe naman ang lakas ng tatlong Asian countries na ito sa WBSC World Rankings. But of course, we are trying our best to catch up with our effort. And ngayon ho, mayroon tayong campaign sa darating na September sa China for the Asian Championships, and another regional competition on December, which is the Southeast Asian Games in Thailand naman. So sa Thailand do, tayo ang defending champion dyan, no? And of course, in the upcoming BFA Asian Championships in China in September, we are hoping to barge and make it into the podium. Of course, we really have to put up great effort to be able to do that because, as mentioned, the three powerhouse teams in the world who are from Asia, Japan, Taiwan, and Korea are also playing in that tournament. Pero hindi naman ho tayo nagpapahuli, no? At dire-diretso ang pagsasanay ng ating teams, and we are also on the lookout. The PABA is actually on the lookout, and if there are qualified failed foreigners, specifically very competitive players from the US that has Filipino lineage, we're always in the lookout for that to be able to beef up our national team. Okay, so we now have a reliever for Singapore. Now pitching is jersey number 58 for Singapore. First pitch is another ball, a bit high. So batting for the Philippines is jersey number 25, the substitute player, Gio Gorpido, hitting now for Team Philippines. So pitch was called a strike, ball one, strike one for Gio Gorpido. Okay, this time low and inside. So ball two, strike one, at ang Philippines ay may runners sa second at runners sa third, threatening to score a couple of runs once again in this at-bat. So muli po, tayo ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga sumusubaybay sa ating PABA FB live coverage, no? We've had several greetings from all over the Philippines, from Bukidnon in Mindanao, from Northern Leyte in the Visayas region, and a couple of greetings from Angeles, Pampanga, si Pinibining Ted Pascual, rooting for the Philippine team. We have a couple of greetings from Aurora Province as well. So salamat po sa inyong panonood at pagsubaybay dito sa Game 2 ng Friendlies Exhibition Match between Singapore and the Philippines. So yung kanina hong batter natin, si Gorpido, was issued 4 balls. So he's now at first base. Batting now for Team Philippines is jersey number 44, another substitution, si Harry Geronimo, now hitting for Philippines. That's a good pitch. That's a slider landing right at the inside corner of the strike zone. Ball one, strike one count for Harry Geronimo. Okay, this time low and outside. Ball two, strike one count. Harry Geronimo hitting with bases loaded. Okay. Ball three, strike one na ho ang count kay Harry Geronimo. Full bases. Ball three, strike one. And that's a slider pitch way below the strike zone for another base on ball. So all base runners advances one base, scoring another run for Team Philippines. So one out pa lang ho ang sitwasyon, bases loaded. At pumapalo ho sa atin, jersey number 99. Jersey number 99 is Kent Altarejos. Si Kent Altarejos ho ay isa sa mga bagong manlalaro natin sa Team Philippines. He is actually from Palawan and was a member of the champion NU baseball team. So he chased an outside pitch and fielded by the shortstop but made a poor throw to catcher at home plate. So another 2 runs scored from the at-bat of Altarejos. So 2 RBIs from his easy grounder hit to shortstop. So nakita ho natin dahil sa bilis ng base running ng Philippines, na-force natin na makakreate ng errors yung ating kalaban. No? So 3 more runs added by Team Philippines in this inning. So 3 plus 2, 5 runs scored by the Philippines this top of the fourth inning. So it was a pass ball. So another run scored. Umpire said it did not graze the bat of the batter but was completely missed by the catcher. So another one scored. So we have a greeting from the northern part of Luzon, all the way from Ilocos Norte. Marlon Ulanimo, Laban Pilipinas. Salamat to sa inyong panonood. Okay, that was a good block by the catcher. So meron hong pagbati naman para sa ating mga umpires. Shout out to June Cruz from Coach Bobby and Ma'am Del. Yan, shout out daw sa inyo, Ate Del. Coach Bobby and umpire June Cruz from Roy Hasmin. Okay, that was swung at and miss for the first strike of John Vargas. Ball three and strike one. Philippines still has a runner on third base after scoring 5 runs already in this inning. Okay, pitch was a little low and outside for ball number 4. So another base on ball from Singapore. And looks like another pitching change will happen for Team Singapore. So this time, jersey number 40 is doing the relief job for Team Singapore. So ang score na po ngayon ay 15-0 and we are just on the top of the fourth inning. So definitely, kung masusustain ho natin ito, it looks like it's going to be an abbreviated game after the fifth inning. And we actually improved our game 2 hitting prowess because we finished Game 1 with a score of 12-0 in an abbreviated 7-inning ball game. So bukas ho, maaga ho ang simula ng ating Game 3 sa friendlies between Singapore and the Philippines. We're going to air on FB Live again at exactly 7 a.m. for the third game to complete the friendlies exhibition games between Singapore and Philippines. Again, we'd like to thank all of you who are watching and supporting our Philippine team via the PABA Facebook live coverage of our friendlies between Team Singapore versus Team Philippines. This is now game 2 of a 3-game Goodwill Series games. And we won our first game this morning with a score of 12-0. At ngayon ho ay namamayagpag na naman ang paluan ng Pilipinas. We've already scored 15 runs here at the top of the 4th inning. So first pitch was a high ball and a double steal attempt, successful by the Philippines. So nabait ho ng base runner ng Philippines sa first base na nag-steal sa second. The catcher made a pick-off throw and that was enough to trigger the runner on third base of the Philippines to break for home. And that's a successful double steal attempt made by the Philippines. So another run scored. That is now put the Philippines with a total of 16 runs. Okay, a easy grounder to second base and a converted putout from second to first. So 2 outs na ho. That was a second out by Team Singapore in this top of the 4th inning. But Philippines still has a runner on third base and a potential run to be scored. So batting for Philippines is jersey number 27. That is our second baseman, John Matangian. Okay, that's a nice line drive hit between third and short. Another run scored with a beautiful RBI by Matangian, scoring our player jersey 13, John Vargas, to home for our 17th run here at the top of the 4th inning. Kung hahanap po tayo ng salita para i-describe ang hitting ng Philippines, mabangiso ang hitting natin sa larong ito kontra sa Singapore. Good hitting from the first batter, Ian Mercado, all the way to the number 9 hitter is Erwin Bosito. Lahat to talagang nakakapalo at magaganda ang tama. Okay, another pitch going wild. So advancing the runner from first to second. So 17-0 na ho ang score natin. Okay, that's a foul ball. So 1 out pa lang po. Okay, 2 outs na ho with jersey number 33 batting for Philippines. So Nigel Paulo now batting for Team Philippines. Nag-start to siya right field. Ngayon ho, siya ang ating catcher. Okay, another high and inside pitch for another ball. We now have a full count for Nigel Paulo. Ball 3, strike 2 count. Okay, pitch was a little high. So ball 4. Another base on ball from the Singapore pitcher. Advancing Philippine batter Nigel Paulet to first base. So hitting now once again is Erwin Bosito, our center fielder for Team Philippines. Okay, that's a foul ball. Okay, a bit high, going to the stands. So umpire confirming with our official scorer that we now have 2 outs for Team Singapore. Oh, that looks like a nice blooper hit to left field. And that will score another run for Team Philippines with a nice bloop single hit to left field by hitter number 9, Erwin Bosito of Team Philippines. So another run scored, totaling now to 17 runs. Ian Mercado, our leadoff hitter, is now back at the batter's box with 2 outs and with runners on second and third. Okay, so Ian Mercado gets the third out for the Philippines with a nice curveball pitch by the Singaporean. For us to declare an abbreviated ball game. So papalo ho ang may dalawang at-bats pa actually ang Singapore. Itong bottom of the 4th inning at hanggang 5th inning pa po. Okay, mataas ang first pitch ng ating pitcher, si Francis Gonzaga. Ball 1. Okay, this time it's a little low and outside for a called ball by the umpire. Ball 2 na ho. So once again, Francis Gonzaga is one of our rookies on the team. So that's a straight fly ball hit to the center fielder, caught for the first out. Francis Gonzaga is our player from San Isidro, Valencia City, Bukidnon, and this is a product of the RTU Baseball Club. So now hitting for Singapore, jersey number 33. Okay, that's a nice slider pitch called strike by the umpire. Okay, this time pitch was called a ball. Ball one, strike one count. Oh, that's a perfect slider pitch for strike two. Okay, we're witnessing awesome coverage here at the CHK ball field for our friendlies between Singapore and Philippines. So that pitch was a bit low and outside. Count now is ball two and strike two. Okay, strikeout. Nice setup by Harry Gonzaga. So one away for Team Philippines. What a beautiful pitch. Slider pitch by Francis Gonzaga. Totally baffling the Singaporean pitcher. Akala ball kasi nagsisimula siksik. Biglang babagsak right dead center. So another breaking ball for a strike two count. Beautiful pitch combination by pitcher 87 Francis Gonzaga of Team Philippines. And another slider to finish the inning with another strikeout. So once again, we acknowledge on FB Live watching is Coach Chito Mercado, the pioneers of the Tanawan City Little League program in Batangas. Kuya Chito, mugayo sa inyong lahat dyan sa Tanawan sa Batangas. Of course, Kuya Chito was responsible for bringing the initial Tanawan Little League players to the UAAP here at the University of the Philippines with the Landichos, Teddy Boy, and Roy, a couple of Natanawans and Vispos, and that really paved the way for all the Vispo, Natanawan, Manaigs, Mercado, family of baseball fanatics, we can call them, no? Na talaga namang ubod ng gagaling at sipag sa larong baseball. At ngayon ay they are reaping the fruits of their labor. What Bacolod City and Province are in the softball program, ganoon naman ho ang lakas ng Batangas sa ating baseball program. Talaga hong dominado nila yung ating mga age level competition. Oh, that's a long fly ball hit to the left field. Okay, Singapore left fielder. Nice timing on the ball, moving backwards, caught that long fly ball for out number 1 for Team Philippines. So pumapalo ho sa Philippines ngayon ay ang ating jersey number 44, substitute player Harry Geronimo. Okay, now jersey number 99, Kent Alterejos. Okay, that's another line drive hit to left field. So runner on first, number 44, si Harry Geronimo, reaching third base easily on that nice line drive hit by Kent Altarejos to left field, foul ball line. So mukhang nangangamoy couple of runs na naman for Team Philippines here at the top of the 5th inning. Okay, we see on the screen, kanina ho, yung third base coach natin, no? Si Coach Landicho from, again, the Tanawan City, Batangas Province Baseball Program. Yan o, isa ho yan doon sa mga graduate sa UP na mga initial Little League players ng Tanawan. So batting now for the Philippines, jersey number 13 is John Vargas. So si John Vargas naman ho ay isa sa ating mga datihanang player sa ating lineup. So Vargy, as we call him, is now on its third year with the Philippine team. And he is a product of the UST baseball program under Coach Jeff Santiago. Incidentally, we greet and we wish the best of luck for the team of Coach Jeffrey, the Manila Pony League bound. Okay, another long fly to left field. So that's a nice sacrifice fly. Scoring number 44 home. Dun ho sa at-bat ni Vargas to deep left field. So 2 outs na po pero nakascore na naman ang Philippines ng isang run. Totaling now to 18 runs scored at the top of the 5th inning. Okay, pinch hitting for Team Philippines is jersey number 4, Tuting Samuel from Antipolo City and the product of the De La Salle University Baseball Club. So 2 outs so, unit runner on second and pinch hitter Tuting Samuel now batting for Philippines. Yeah. Okay, that's a pop-up fly to the catcher. And it's a swirling infield fly. So missed ball. So buhay pa ho si Tuting with that missed fly ball catch attempt by the catcher of Singapore national team. So ball 3, strike 1 para kay Tuting Samuel. And this time it's a straight outfield hit to the center fielder for a routine fly ball catch. So yun ho, naka 3 outs na ang Singapore at natapos na ho ang at-bat ng ating Philippine national team sa top of the 5th inning. Ang total score na po natin ang opportunity nila head coach Lando Binirao ang ating left-handed pitcher na si Joshua Pineda. So Joshua Pineda is relatively a newbie in the team having played for 2 years. Galing naman ho siya sa Region 3, Central Luzon, Tarlac Province. No? So shout out sa inyo dyan, mga Tarlakenyo, mga Kapampangan, Nueva Ecija. Kanina ho, very early part of the game, we had a very good friend from Angeles cheering on for the Philippine team. Shout out to Miss Ted Pascual for cheering our Philippine team. And sa lahat ho ng sumubaybay sa dalawang laro ng ating Philippine team para sa friendlies between Singapore and Philippines, thank you for supporting the efforts of our Philippine Amateur Baseball Association. So ball 1, ang unang pinukol ni Joshua Pineda. So the coaches telling him to settle down a bit. Okay, first pitch was a ball. Second pitch, the number 2, uniform 2 of Singapore hitting a foul ball. And third pitch is a nice low outside pitch for strike 2 count. Ball 1, strike 2 na po. And head umpire Roy Cruz instructing Singapore team that they should always have a base coach at first base while the game is on progress. Okay, that's a nice third strike pitch. Swung at and missed for out number 1 by Joshua Pineda. So our coaches really have a nice luxury of having a deep pitching rotation for our team, alternating some right-handed and left-handed pitchers during this second game of our friendlies. We see cheering on from the baseball field here in UP, Mr. Roy Landicho and Coach Icar Sanchez from the University of the Philippines baseball team. Gentlemen, magandang hapon ho. And just like that, another strikeout tallied by Joshua Pineda for out number 2. talaga hong namamayagpag ang pitching ng ating mga national team pitchers. Everyone in the rotation has really proven themselves that they are worthy pitchers. Okay, that's a foul ball. So 2 outs na ho. A third out would automatically win an abbreviated win for Team Philippines this bottom of the 5th inning. Ayan ho, announcing the arrival of one of the PABA Board of Directors member, Coach Roy Landicho from Tanawan City, Batangas. Yan ho yung paulit-ulit kong kinakwento kanina na mga unang Little League players ng Tanawan City, Batangas na maswerteng nakapag-aral dito sa UP, mga dalahuyan at alaga nila Coach Chito Mercado, nakagraduate ho, bumalik sa Tanawan upang magturo ng mga bata doon at mula ho noong panahon na iyon, namayagpag na ho ang ating Tanawan City Little League program dahil sa kanilang pagtutulungan. Oops, that's a 4 balls issued by Joshua Pineda. So, batter, jersey number 11 of Singapore, reaching first base safely on a base on ball. So, 2 outs na ho at may isang base runner ngayon ang Singapore. Shout out raw sa grade 12 Humes of SJNHS mula kay Jesseline Gakasa. So, of course, greetings to you. Up and a slow grounder hitting the foot of our pitcher. So safe po, back to back ang dalawang batters ng Singapore. Of course, from Cebu, we have from the very prominent Bacarisas family, Luis Rolly Bacarisas. Okay, the last batter of Singapore was their pitcher, number 12. So we now have runners on first and second for Singapore. Jersey number 31 hitting. 2 outs na ho. At may potential score or potential run ang Singapore sa inning na ito. So, tignan nun natin. 2 outs with runners on first and second. Joshua Pineda now on the mound for Team Philippines. And another low breaking pitch called for strike 3 and strikeout by Joshua Pineda to end the ball game with a score of 19-0 in favor of Team Philippines. So dyan po, nagtatapos ang magandang laro ng Team Philippines para ho sa T-Game friendlies with Team Singapore. Nanalo ho tayo kontra sa Singapore ng 19-0 para sa Game 2. Congratulations to a wonderful effort by both teams. Ang atinong officiating crew, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mayroon pa ho tayong Game 3 bukas ng umaga to complete the Goodwill Series games between Singapore and Philippine team. This is an activity that is sanctioned by the WBSC and by the BFA or Baseball Federation of Asia. Muli po, lubos ang pasasalamat ng Philippine Amateur Baseball Association sa pamunuan ng Philippine Sports Commission sa pangunguna ni PSC Chair Pato Gregorio and its Executive Director, Attorney Guillermo Iroy, and also, of course, the wonderful hosting and collaborative effort of the College of Human Kinetics here at the University of the Philippines. So again, we extend our heartfelt thanks to University President Attorney Gigil Jimenez, our Chancellor of UP Diliman, Attorney Chancellor Carlo Vistan, and the Dean of UPCHK, Dr. Molly Malyari. So signing off po in the broadcast panel is your